Yep, so I took out the cover from the Honda. So this Honda has a check engine light. The check engine light shows misfires and EGR flow insufficient. So this is what happens. It's EGR insufficient flow because these passageways are all clogged up with carbon. Excuse me. So yep, these are all clogged up with carbon. Carbon here, carbon there, carbon everywhere. So this needs to be cleaned. I think the gasket can be reused. Yep. So I'll clean this one up first. So this is causing an EGR flow insufficient code. That's why when it starts, there's like a misfire or a rough idle. Okay, I'm gonna clean this one and see what happens. Okay, I got the this area cleaned from soot and carbon, even the holes, I cleaned them out. Yeah, those holes are clogged too. Yep, this is the orientation for the cover, the gasket, the metal gasket. And this one still needs a lot of work cleaning. I soaked it in a throttle body cleaner. Still tons of carbon. Okay, I got this one cleaned. All the passages are clear now. Yep. And I'm going to install this one. That one is also clean. So I'm changing the front spark plug and ignition coils. Gonna replace all of them. So I'm using a number 6 hex socket to take out the bolts, the ignition coil bolt. So I got all the connectors out. So somehow this fan is it's kind of tough to get it out. And it's blocking. It's manageable. So these are the two bad ones. Still looks okay though. Okay, now removing the spark plug. Okay. Well, they're not bad. Still okay. In GK. Yep. So here's the replacement Denso. So the Denso has a bigger bolt, or the nut there, and it has like a double tip. So I don't know which one is better, but I think Denso is probably better. Yep, putting in some dielectric grease to the ignition coil. Okay, so got all this side installed with all Denso ignition coils and spark plugs and with dielectric grease. So it looks like cleaning the EGR ports here didn't actually fix the P0401 code for EGR insufficient flow. I think I need to clean the EGR valve, and it looks like that gasket is weird. Doesn't look to be OEM. Yeah, that's weird. So not really sure what's going on. So the ports, I don't know why this one got blocked, but this is weird. And this one doesn't seem to be a gasket. That's weird. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to put in a correct gasket for this one and clean this one out. The ports there are actually clean, so yeah, I think the problem is the this one is actually being blocked, so I don't know the reason why. There must be a reason why it's being blocked.